What? What are you doing? This is Lucky, everybody. This is Lucky, the carnivorous cat. Bye, Lucky. Did you know cats are carnivores? I thought chickens were carnivores until somebody brought to my attention that they're omnivores. They just have a taste for meat. And then my mind changed. That's why you should have friends with various opinions and skill levels. So here's the winter garden. We got our mandarins. Oh, they're so good. This tree is about 5-6 years old. That's why I tell people get trees. Like, if you plan on being alive for the next 5 years, just buy the damn tree now. Oh, I'm swearing. All right, so here's the winter garden. And then I have my lily patch and banana tree. I started, these are canna lilies, and they give a red flower. They're black canna lilies, and they give a red flower. And then that is the plant hospital, plant rescues. All my indoor plants started as outdoor, just to let you know. And then there's the girly girls. Oh, you look much better, girly girl, because she was wilting so bad, but her neck feathers came back in. That's where we collect the poop. Chicken poo. Here is my peach tree. Ooh, it's bald-headed, boy. That is one bald-headed peach tree. Best white peaches in town. And then there's the collard tree. Ooh, that got tall. And then we got the rain burls. Rain barrels with a gutter system. We got very, very lucky to get this from the city. And I'll actually post city programs in the description box below. And let me try to walk through this cold ass. It was cold. I mean, I need to stop swearing. Here we go. Ha. Okay. Bam. They did do well. Okay, cool. Cool. So we have sorrel. We have sage in the back over there. And then these are the black-eyed peas. They survived. We have a red potato. Overwintered. I gotta really cut back these peppers. We have, I thought those were guajillo peppers. Those aren't guajillo. Those are, what are they? Sorry, the wind's kicking up. Those are chili de árbol, which is a really smoky chili, great for salsas and sauces. And then we have basil, and we have all the onion, not some of the onion. I'm growing all of the onion. And then we have some tomato and the pepper patch, my pride and joy. So we cut back a lot of them for the winter. That's the old jalapeno girl. That's the early jalapeno. Then we have habaneros. Cut back your peppers, y'all. It's actually amazing. Then we have this black cobra cayenne. Oh, my cane fell. And then over there we have my Reaper 10.0 girly girl. I know these plants have genders, but they're all girly girls to me. And that Reaper 10.0 took a year and a half to get that size from seed. Because remember, the hotter the pepper, the longer the germination. So what are my plans? Excuse me. What are my plans for all of this for the rest of the year? Well, let me tell you. One of my plans is I don't know. Another one of my plans is to just follow through with my intentions. So here are all my composting projects. I had to do a lot of different various composting types. I have coconut, I have bell pepper, I have vermiculture, I'm getting into bokashi, and then I have this pond. And right now this pond is full of citronella and compost, and I want to try to maybe do a herb spiral. That'd be cool. And then we'll just go from there, and we're gonna do a ton of container gardening this year. I got the girls lined up. I got all these pots lined up ready for some super hot peppers. And also my intentions are to leave all the leaves, because remember, the leaves actually have bioorganisms in them. I know I'm stepping on stuff right now, but if you rake up the leaves, you destroy the homes of a lot of organisms. And then also make sure the girly girls are good. So they have a what do they have? They have a heating pad inside their coop. And then also It's solar panels, so you can't really see the solar panel up there, but there's some wires and stuff. So that's the current garden, and there's a lot of projects to be done back here. This celebrity tomato came from the 99-cent store, and it lived. So I prune it every now and then of its suckers, and it's not giving tomatoes right now, but it lived from the 99-cent store. And then, you know, it takes plants 2 to 3 years to grow out their pesticides, and they can become organic. Don't quote me on that, but I'm gonna look it up, and I'm gonna put the study and my research in the description box if you want to fact check me. Please get in the habit of fact checking people, because you can just come on Beyonce's internet and lie, and I do not know what kind of pepper that is. I kind of Hail Married a bunch of plants that I found. Those are dark Korean peppers. That's another collard tree. That is another what is it called? Black cobra pepper. Black cobra peppers are not that hot. But I Hail Married a bunch of plants and rescues from last year, but I am really surprised about that sage patch, because it just did so well this year. So that's it. So I'm also taking plant requests, which is interesting. I've never done that before. I've had the garden open to the public for about 2 years, and then I just closed it down for some minor alterations, and we had a break-in over the summer. I think it was the summer or the fall. So I just shut it down completely. But for the first time, I am taking suggestions as far as what people want to see me grow. 'Cause I want to show people that it's possible, as well that it can be a lot of fun, and accessibility is everything. So everything that I mentioned, I will list. I'll even list the plants that I mentioned in the description box, and where you can buy the seeds. And also, if you like, subscribe, or leave a comment on this video, that helps support me. And supporting me is a way that I can keep everything going and flowing for free. So thanks for watching the little winter walkthrough tour. I'm gonna have way more videos breaking down in detail on how you can do the things that you see me doing today. And collect that rainwater, y'all, because California's in a drought and nobody's doing anything about it. You can. Don't wait for your government to do things for you, because you will end up butt naked eating out of trash cans. Actually, they'll take the trash cans too. Just yeah. If you want to do it, you can make it happen. There's a way to make all that happen and get that popping. I'm the plant plug. I'm the plant plug, the one and only. See you in the next video.